Lechner, Erat Yerushalmi, Arak, Chrain, Hammond, Borscht, Boreka, hummus chip select, take latch, Hava, candy made from tahini paste, Manischewitz, the Bay, Savage, is real pita stuffed with fried eggplant and hard-boiled eggs, gefilte fish, chopped liver, cashew, shakshuka, eggs poached in a sauce of tomatoes, chili peppers, and onions, often spiced with cumin. Soup mandel, hummus, Kosher Pickle, Bialy, Poland, a small baked roll with a depression in the middle filled with diced onions, garlic, poppy seeds, or breadcrumbs. Mandel Bread, Farfel, Likekugel, Matzah, macaroon, Matzah Brei, Charoset, Rugelach, apples and honey, Hamantashen, Sufgania, Falafel, fried balls, patties of spiced, mashed chickpeas or fava beans. Nish, lox, schnitzel, Blintz, Rugelach, Matzah Brei soup, Brisket, challah, bagel,
guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.